How does an Indian electronics manufacturer build a record order book of nearly 2,599 crore rupees, while supplying industries where one defective electronic assembly could interrupt an aircraft system, a medical device, or an industrial platform? Cyient DLM did not achieve this by producing large volumes of ordinary circuit boards at the lowest price. It focused on complex, high-reliability products that require engineering support, traceability, specialized testing, and dependable delivery. Cyient DLM manufactures electronic and mechanical systems for industries where reliability is extremely important. These include aerospace and defense, healthcare and life sciences, industrial equipment, and automotive electronics. Its capabilities span product design, component sourcing, printed circuit board assembly, cable harnesses, box build systems, precision parts, testing, qualification, and certification. Its responsibility can increase from build to print, where it manufactures a completed customer design, to design to product and concept to product, where it supports design, prototypes, qualification, and production. It also provides life cycle support through localization, redesign, obsolescence management, and sustaining engineering. The progression is clear: build to print, to build to specification, to design, qualify, certify, and sustain. Ranksons Electronics was founded by Sri Pavan Ranga under the NR Group in Mysore in 1993. While much of India's electronics market focused on low-cost consumer products, Ranksons pursued high-reliability electronics for medical, defense, and aerospace applications. Pavan Ranga later professionalized the family business by strengthening automation, testing, and global customer capability. In 2015, Cyient acquired a 74% stake for approximately 250 crore rupees. Cyient added software, engineering, and product development expertise, while Ranksons provided the manufacturing platform. The company was renamed Cyient DLM in 2017 and later listed on the Indian stock exchanges. The ownership journey shows how professional systems can help a family business scale beyond its founder. From 720 crore rupees in FY22 revenue to 1,192 crore rupees in FY24. And then to a record order book of 2,598.9 crore rupees by Q1 FY27, Cyient DLM's growth did not happen by chance. It came from solving a handful of difficult business challenges. Let us break them down one by one. When several manufacturers can build the same circuit board, customers compare them mainly on price. Cyient DLM moved beyond basic printed circuit board assembly into cable harnesses, precision parts, box build systems, testing, and program support. This helped it compete in regulated sectors where reliability, traceability, and engineering capability matter more than the lowest quotation. When your output is easy to reproduce, solve a larger and more difficult part of the customer's problem. A build-to-print manufacturer earns mainly from production because design, testing, certification, and future changes remain with the customer. Cyient DLM moved towards build to specification, supporting design, prototypes, qualification and certification, series production, and lifecycle support. Its Boeing battery diode module program combined manufacturing with design and certification support. As Anthony Montalbano, then CEO, stated, Cyient DLM is uniquely positioned to offer complete design, development, qualification, certification, and production support to global aerospace OEMs. Identify which valuable responsibilities before and after production your company can credibly assume. In aerospace, defense, and healthcare, final inspection is not enough. Customers need proof that every important production step is controlled, recorded, and repeatable. Cyient DLM invested in automated optical inspection, electrical and flying probe testing, X-ray inspection, environmental stress screening, vibration testing, and cable harness testing. It also built the certifications and qualified processes required in regulated industries. These capabilities reduced customer risk and created an entry barrier that low-cost competitors could not reproduce quickly. A certificate creates value only when backed by trained people, specialized equipment, controlled processes, and consistent results. Complex products may depend on specialized parts available from only one or two approved suppliers. One missing component can delay the entire system, while a replacement may require customer approval. Cyient DLM strengthened supply planning, introduced Kinaxis rapid response, and invested in critical inventory for long-duration programs. This helped identify shortages earlier and protect delivery, although additional inventory also increased working capital needs. Map single-source parts, long lead times, approved alternatives, and affordable safety stock before disruption occurs. International growth becomes scattered when a manufacturer enters too many unrelated markets. Regulated customers may also need local support, compliance capability, and faster engineering response. Cyient DLM followed a focused, high-value customer strategy across North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific, building credibility through certifications, dependable delivery, and deeper participation in selected global OEM programs. In 2024, it acquired US-based Alltech Electronics, adding approximately 80,000 square feet of manufacturing capacity, direct North American customer access, and stronger medical, industrial, and defense market capabilities. Executive Chairman Krishna Bodanapu said, "It expands our global footprint, brings us closer to our strategic customers, and significantly strengthens our capabilities. Build depth in selected markets and create a local presence when the opportunity justifies it." Cyient DLM's growth came from 5 connected decisions: choosing high reliability markets, taking greater product responsibility, turning quality into an advantage, protecting delivery through better supply planning, and moving closer to strategic global customers. For entrepreneurs, the message is clear. Do not scale by becoming the cheapest pair of hands in the supply chain. Scale by solving a larger problem and becoming the partner trusted to design, build, qualify, and deliver what cannot be allowed to fail.